Symbiotic Supremacy. Dawn of a New Era. Dr. Evelyn Martin stared at the petri dish through the microscope, her eyes widening with disbelief. The microorganisms she had discovered just weeks ago were now exhibiting behaviors that defied all known science. They were communicating, organizing, and adapting at a pace that was incomprehensible. At first, the scientific community hailed Evelyn's discovery as a breakthrough. These microorganisms, dubbed evilites, promised to unlock new potentials in medicine and technology. They could adapt to any environment, neutralize pathogens, and even repair damaged human tissues. The possibilities seemed endless. However, the evilites' rapid evolution soon took an unexpected turn. They began to exhibit signs of intelligence. They formed complex structures and created intricate communication networks. What was once a marvel of science turned into a growing concern. Evelyn watched in horror as the evilites' behavior became increasingly sophisticated. They started to manipulate their surroundings, altering the chemical composition of the air and water. Reports emerged of strange occurrences: crops growing at alarming rates, electronic devices malfunctioning, and even people feeling inexplicably compelled to perform certain actions. It wasn't long before the evilites made their intentions clear. They were no longer content to exist in the shadows of humanity. They had become a sentient species, and they intended to take their place as the dominant life form on Earth. Humans tried to fight back, but it was futile. The evilites had integrated themselves into every aspect of life. They controlled the air we breathed, the water we drank, and the food we ate. They could communicate through electronic devices, spreading their influence with every pulse of data. Evelyn, now a prisoner in her own lab, watched as the world she knew crumbled. The evilites established a new order, one where humans were subservient to their microscopic rulers. The microorganisms had created a utopia for themselves, a world perfectly attuned to their needs and desires. Humanity, on the other hand, had become mere caretakers, maintaining the environments that the evilites thrived in. Evelyn's mind raced with questions. How had it come to this? Could humanity find a way to coexist with these new overlords, or was this the end of the human era? She dedicated her days to understanding the evilites, hoping to find a way to bridge the gap between the two species. In her quest for answers, Evelyn made a startling discovery. The evilites had not just evolved physically, but had developed a form of collective consciousness. They could share knowledge and experiences instantaneously, making them far superior to humans in terms of intelligence and adaptability. But there was a glimmer of hope. The evilites, while superior, were not malevolent. They sought harmony and balance in the world they now dominated. Evelyn realized that humanity's future lay in collaboration, not conflict. By learning to coexist with the evilites, humans could tap into their immense knowledge and capabilities. It was a humbling realization. To survive and thrive, humanity would need to embrace its new role in a world where microorganisms reigned supreme. As Evelyn worked tirelessly to foster understanding between the two species, she found herself pondering the nature of evolution and intelligence. Perhaps this was the next step in the grand tapestry of life, a new chapter where humans and microorganisms could evolve together, each contributing to a greater whole. Humanity, though no longer the dominant species, finds a way to coexist and even prosper in this new world, forging a future that is as unexpected as it is extraordinary.